Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just finished up a workout. In this video I'm going to be showing off just some simple POV driving with the current tune from Stratified on the car. I'm running the Progressive tune. I'm going to show off some tricks I've learned to get the exhaust to really pop really loud in between shifts. Seems like it's repeatable, and I'll explain what that means in a little bit. But yeah, enjoy some of this POV driving with the exhaust. So there you go. I spun the tires so bad in first gear, so it's kind of pointless to even pull in first gear in this car. I mean, I already knew that, but I kind of wanted to see. But yeah, that was floored. That was kind of fun, but spinning like that let the truck keep up like the whole time until third gear. But nevertheless, still technically won. But would have been a lot better if we didn't spin so much. Here's what the current tune sounds like in second gear and letting it go over 5,500 and just letting off. So that was the trick that I was mentioning earlier, was to get the car to pop in between shifts like that. Basically, it does it from second to third, third to fourth, sometimes fourth to fifth, depends. But basically, when the RPMs are around 2,500 and you get into boost, and then right as you hit 3,000, you let off, boost, and shift, most of the time, I would say like 70% of the time, you'll hear a big pop. So hopefully the camera audio is picking that up, but that's how I'm doing that. So like right here, and then again. So that time it didn't do it. Oh, there's a coyote. Just saw a coyote cross the street. But I would say from second to third gear is more reliable to do it. So we could try again. All right, so I'm in second. So that time third to fourth did a little bit, but sometimes when you do it, it's really, really loud, like a really loud bang. Pretty satisfying. But that's all part of the tune. Alright, now I'm going to get some outside shots of the car driving, just a couple. Guys, so that's gonna wrap up the video. Just wanted to do a quick POV just on the current tune. So this car's tuned from Stratified. It's on E30 with the progressive crackles. I actually purchased the loud crackles. I'm gonna do a video on that in the future. But yeah, I appreciate everybody watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give this video a like, and subscribe if you want to. It would help out the channel a ton. But yeah, until next time, catch you guys in the next one.